Hey everyone, it's Doc. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to showcase a brand new LoRa that I just trained, Monochrome. As the name suggests, it transforms Qwen's color output to dramatically cinematic black and white, specifically designed for striking portrait photograph. Okay, let's just straight into a quick review of some safe, clear samples. Monochrome shines by turning photos into high-contrast, texture-rich images that look great in ads, prints, or as moody black-and-white film intros. If you want to push it even further into minimalism, just dial up the strength parameter. Before I show you guys the workflow, Running Hub is the online comfy UI platform I use. No local installation or heavy downloads. Everything runs right in your browser. All workflows shown here are uploaded to Running Hub, so you can click the link below and get 1000 credits, enough for plenty of tests running without extra cost. Okay, let's go through how to use Monochrome step by step. First, load the LoRa. Keep stress model on default. If the style feels too heavy, lower it to 0.8 to 0.9, but not so low that you lose the core style. The trigger prompt is MC. Then add your scene description. For example, MC close up to a girl standing in the rain holding a flower facing camera. Then hit run. The result will show here. That's all for today. If you have thoughts, questions, or want deeper LoRa training tips, drop them in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss our next update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.